What's going on, everybody? Today in JT's Auto we got a beautiful GMC Yukon XL, and it's got quite a lot of miles on it, and I'm very surprised it's made it this far without this happening. And I'm sure some of you probably already know what I'm talking about, but I'm about to show you why it's here. You'll hear it. Well, if you don't, then bring it here and I'll fix it, but you know. Oh yeah, that's the classic DOD lifter tick. So I don't know, some people like to put some DOD garbage back in there, but I believe it belongs in the garbage because it is garbage. So we got a BTR DOD delete cam, and we'll start up on that right now, and I'll report back to you guys in a little bit when she's torn apart. All right, been chipping away at this for a little bit, making a little progress. This is the first LT I've DOD deleted, so a little bit of a learning curve, but draining some coolant out of there and trying to get it dry enough so I don't make a mess, because I'm tired of scrubbing this floor. But anyways, got our boxo parts, some lifters, GM cam. Yeah, off the heads come shortly. Well, gosh dang, this sure escalated quickly. Was struggling to get the cam sprocket off the timing chain, and tried, couldn't. And I've seen people pry them off with a screwdriver and pick and blah blah, but no way, wasn't doing that. So what we have here is the oil pan out and the steering rack out and the front diff out, so that I can get that sucker out of there and then get the cam out finally. Tell you what, DOD delete on Gen 5 is not nearly as cake as a Gen 4, but we'll get her done. Well, closing in on the finish line finally. Got the entire long block back together. The DOD delete cam, the lifter valley plugs, the blah 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 blah. All the DI stuff back assembled. We have some push rods in it, some rockers on it, and slapped some valve covers on it, exhaust manifolds. But for now, I'm going home. I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. What's up, y'all? Here we are about 2 months after the DOD delete on that Yukon, and I'm trying to stitch a video together, and I come to realize that I didn't film any outro or driving it or nothing. So apparently I slacked in that department, but been busy otherwise. Anyways, that vehicle has been good, and I've been on to many other projects. And tune in, maybe subscribe. I'd appreciate the heck out of that. And you'll see a lot more interesting things to come. Have a good day, y'all.